Hi, I'm Melissa, and in this tutorial I'm going to be covering favoriting images. Your clients can be looking at their gallery and have the ability to favorite the images they love. This is helpful for when you say designing an album, ordering prints, or other print products. You also can have more than one user favoriting in a gallery as well. So say your client's mother-in-law wants to select her favorite images, so you can design an album for her as well. There are so many ways this feature can make your job as a photographer a lot easier. So I'm going to show you how it works. Let's say I'm a client viewing my photos in this gallery here. I'll go down to the thumbnails here, and all I need to do is hover over the image and click that heart button. Your clients will need to log in so that you can see the name and email address of the client. They can either register here or log in with Facebook. So I'm just going to quickly log in with Facebook. Great, so I'm logged in. So we'll go back down here. So now I can start going through my images and favoriting the ones that I want my photographer to see. So all you need to do is just go through them. Okay, so you get the idea. Okay, so I'm happy with those ones. To review your favorite images, you click this heart up here and it's got a total there. So I've selected 13 of my images into my favorite collection. So if I click that, here are all my favorite images here. And you can review them, and if you want to remove one, just click the heart icon and it removes it from the favorites. So that is all that your client needs to do on their end. I'm just going to quickly show you how you as a photographer can review these photos in Workspace. So once you've logged in, we want to go to the image gallery that we're looking at, so Joanna and Matt. We go Images, open up that event, and we want to go User Favorite Images. Here you can see the client's name, email address, which is blurred out at the moment, and the number of images selected. Under Actions, you can view the images here. If the user changes their favorites, this will automatically be updated, so you will always see the most recent changes. Or click Make Collection from Favorites. So this means you can go on and design an album or order print products with the images your client has selected. Cool. Be mindful that if your client changes their favorites after you've created the collection doesn't automatically update. So you'll need to click this update button here, and that will automatically update. So if we go back to the image collection, you can see that we've got Melissa's favorites here, and these are the images I've selected. Hope that was helpful. Thanks for listening. Bye.